A plan for when you are feeling stressed, sad, lonely, or anxious. What do you do to get over it? So, if you planned in advance, whether it's going for a walk, doing a meditation, engaging in any activity that brings joy, even watching a favorite comedy, having a plan ahead of time can help ensure that the difficult moments are more manageable. And of course, practicing self care, which is all a part of it. So it's very important to schedule time for yourself, even if your busy life allows only 5 minutes. It's better than nothing, and have activities that recharge your mind and body. It can include reading a good book, or working out, or spending time in nature, or something else. And of course, like we discussed before, connecting with the community and giving back. And also having a gratitude process regularly. Like when you have gratitude, you automatically start feeling happy and abundant because when you compare yourself with others, you're feeling lack. But when you're grateful, you have that thing to be grateful for, right? Like we are grateful for being able to record this podcast episode together in this absolute lovely.
And that, yeah, totally. And yeah, I think coming together and doing this is itself a great activity, and we both of us share certain passions, and we are able to do it together.
Yeah.
It also gives you a sense of accomplishment.
Yes.
That gives you happiness.
Yes. Yes, anything that gives you happiness. And of course, it's also important to recognize the seasonal mood changes that many people have because many times people are used to hanging out a lot with their friends and their friends' families, and they all get busy during the holidays. So it's okay to feel sad, or it's okay to feel some triggers, if especially if you're alone and the days get shorter and colder and rainier. So have some tools in place to handle this, whether it's watching a comedy, having a mindfulness session, talking to your coach. And if you have any other form which you are not able to handle, then happiness factors is always there for you. And as we mentioned before, please avoid excessive alcohol and drugs because ultimately they are depressant, even though advertisement says otherwise. And know when to seek help. When is it that you think you can't handle it by yourself? And that's the time you reach out to for help, whether you go to therapy or come to a coach at Happiness Factors or go somewhere else. But definitely be sure to seek help and not let it get too unmanageable and too out of control.